Hey guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamaya.com, and in this beautiful tutorial we are going to learn how to use all the basic option which is there inside the email free version to customize our email templates of the WooCommerce plugin. So I tried dividing the video in two sections, one for the free plugins. Using the free plugins, I taught you all the basic options, how you can use each and every elements in email templates. And second, I tried creating these kinds of beautiful template using Pro WooCommerce Customizer. If you'll see the feature, both have similar kinds of feature, like free version also have similar feature as well as Pro have similar feature. So you can refer both the video. If you want to learn the basic option, you must watch this tutorial. And if you want to learn some advanced option, direct customization of the templates and creation of this kind of beautiful templates, you should watch this video where I taught you same thing using Pro. Free version have limitation of 11 transactional WooCommerce email template, but the Pro can edit all kinds of WooCommerce email templates. Apart from that, they have third-party integration option also. You can use these kinds of premium add-ons. They have n number of premium add-ons support to edit their transactional email. So do consider upgrading to the Pro version using the link in the description box. If you'll purchase using the link in the description box, we'll get a commission, and it gives a motivation to continue this kind of beautiful tutorial for you people, and it supports the developer life because the free version does not give either a single dollar to them to continue the upgradation work. You must upgrade it to the Pro version and support developers and the bloggers who is creating video for you people. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Now, once you're logging inside your dashboard, you need to scroll it down and you need to find plugins and click on add new. And in the search bar, you need to search Yaymail, YAYMAIL mail. And you'll get first option by WooCommerce. It has 5,000 active installation and 37.5+ rating. You mean this is the best plugin in the market for email customizer. So I'll click on install now. Click on activate. Once the plugin get activated, you need to scroll it down to find Yaymail and click on start customizing. And once you are on this section, first we'll understand the basic things, and then we'll be understanding each and every option one by one. This tutorial will be long, but you'll be learning all the options for customizing your emails. So first option we have here is new orders. So when you click here, you'll get all kinds of order. It's not only like for new orders you are going to customize your email, but you can also customize for the cancellation, failed, order on hold, or any of the email which you are sending from your email can be customized using Yaymail. So I'll customize my new orders. Next option we have sample orders, which what are the orders is there in your WooCommerce store that could be seen and edited from this option. And next option we have shortcodes. If you click here, you can pull these shortcodes in these emails templates in order to tell customer that okay, for the customer last note you can use customer note. For site name you can use site name. For site URL you can use site URL. These are the shortcodes you can use in your email customizer. For user ID also, for name also, you can use these kinds of shortcodes. So all the information is already here. You can choose any of the, they have plenty of shortcodes available to customize your email. So I'll cancel it off now. And next option we have send test email. Before you make this complete template live, enable this template for new orders, you need to enable this. You can test it. You can send an email to particular email ID and test whether that particular email address is whether that template is showing properly or not. And next you have blank template, reset template and copy template. These options you have. You can save the changes which you are doing on your email template. And now let's talk about the basic element which is there inside Yay customizer. Number one, logo, which is this one. If you click on this one, you can see edit logo. You can change the alignment. You can see alignment is there. You can change the alignment. You can keep it any side where you want. Okay, they want in the center. You can maintain that padding. You can change the image of the logo. Let's say if I want to add my own logo, I'll go to this one, select the logo, add the alternate tag. If you don't know what is alternate text, you must visit one of my video how to optimize images for the SEO. That helps you to rank your images more better in the Google. So I'll click on the use this image and you can see my logo is there. Okay, you can change the sequence of anything. Let's say you want this row to come first, then you just need to select this one and say move up, like that. It's work. If you want this one to go down, just select move down and it will be like up and down. You can move from this one. If you want to delete any of the section, you just select that option, click on this, duplicate, copy this element or remove. So you can easily manage each and every options. Next, I'll go down and I'll add my website URL. Hash is there. I just copy my website URL and paste it here and set as default. You can change the background color if you want to add your custom code to the header too. Next, we'll choose the next element, that is email heading. So you can drag and drop it like this. You click it here and you can change the background color, text color, and email heading text is there. Okay, you can edit this one and type here, say order confirmed, and next go to this one and bring order detail, order ID. Okay, you bought order ID, and next below that you can add thanks, and then go to shortcut and go to general, bring customer name. So it's going to bring the customer name here, thanks Kumar or thanks Rahul, what the name is there. It will fetch. Mine design is better than them, so I'll remove this one, but it's not matching with my color code. So I'll go to this one and I'll choose it green. Okay, now it's matching with my color code. Here the name will be there, thanks Mr. Rahul or Mr. Kumar, whatever you want there. Next, now we have next option, images, button, text, title. These things we are going to use in one combined section. For that we need to add one more section. If you scroll down, you can see there's a general. We want columns for that. How many columns you want to build, it's all up to you. Let's say I want 2 columns. One here in this section I'll add one images, and in this section I'll add some text, and here I have added my text. Now I want this one a button there in order to increase my sale. Let's say go to any of the product, click here and say change images. Let's say you have launched any of the new product, this bag, and use this image. You write some description. We have bought some new bags. Click here and you can change the color as to I told you color code you should match. So I'll be choosing some green type of color, and then here buy me, and then you can add the link. You can change the weight, like bold or font weight you can change from this area. Font family you can change, and then you can add the link of the product. Let's say I want to promote one of my product which is on there, gomahamaya.com. There's a title here. Add this one on the top and say buy limited time deal, your special coupon, and here you can give a coupon code, say new 100. So it will give them a discount for something, like you can add a star mark there. Here you can add a star mark, so you can add a terms and condition later on for this one. And for subtitle you can manage large, medium. This was a thing that you can add in your email customizer. It's just a demo. Now I'm showing you how you can adjust these things, and you can even add a video instead of images. You just go to this one and change the overlay image. A video URL, you can paste the YouTube URL, go to YouTube and select any of the video URL. This one video URL I've copied there, and I'll go back to this setting and I'll paste the URL here. Add a change image, click on this one, change image, select the same image which you want. Okay, I'll remove this one, so I'll go to this one and say remove this element. Okay, remove. Now they can play about the video and they can learn it about that. So this is extra thing you can do in your email to attract the customer. Apart from these order details, you can move this one up, because this is the important details. You can add these things in the lower part section. See this one, these things should be low in the lower part, it should not be on the upper part. So people, they want to read this one, and when they're free with this, when their mind get free from this part, okay, there's a new deal and it's looking awesome, we should look for this. And there's a coupon, limited time, you can write here this is a limited time deal and this is valid only till for next 1 week. Like that you can adjust. You can add share button here on the top, or you can add this one in the footer option. So I'll remove this one. Share button should look better on the footer one, and I'll scroll it down and I'll add at the footer share. You can, if apart from these things, if you scroll down, you can add a footer section. In the footer, demo built with WooCommerce.com, and if you click here, you can edit the text. Here is the site name. You know this is demo, so site name is taking demo. And built with WooCommerce, you can change with your affiliate link if you want built with XYZ theme, or built with hosted on WP engine. Like that you can add affiliate link in order to make some extra commissions. Supported by Amazon, let's say you can add it here, Amazon, and you'll get affiliate commission from this one. And you can move this one up. Congratulations on the sale. Okay, and it's looking good, right? Like that you can do, and you just remove this part. You can add a spacing on everything, like where you want a gap. You can adjust a divider like this. Just remove the spacing, it's not looking good here, so I'll remove this. And okay, built with WooCommerce, or you can move this one, select this one and say up. Now it's looking good. I'll remove some padding, and top padding I should remove this one. Bottom padding I should remove to 0. Now it's looking good, right? It's looking like connected, but here also we need to remove this one. Top padding remove. Icon spacing you can manage. You can change the socials icons from here. If you click on this one, you can change, like you can add WhatsApp also. You go to this one, select the social media and say WhatsApp, and add the WhatsApp link. So if you want to know how to add a WhatsApp link, go to google.com and say WhatsApp API URL, API link. So you just select this one, and you just need to replace with the phone number. Here you can see how to link a WhatsApp from a different app. If I'll add my number there, I'll go to this one again back and I'll paste here. I just need to replace my number here. Okay, and I just need to click on save. The WhatsApp will be there. Now we'll go back. Apart from that, there's nothing extra in the general section except the column divider, 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column. There's nothing extra. In this also there's nothing extra, we have discussed each and every option. And next, in the WooCommerce, if you'll go down, you can see shipping address, billing address. You can maintain it by going to this one, make some columns here or anywhere in the sections, like shipping address you can add, and then you can add billing address. Now let's say I want to make it again back to 2 sections, only 2 columns. So I'll select this one and I'll go to this column width. So I'll make this 50, and first column also 50, and here I'll make the third column as 0. So it's looking good, right? You can adjust from this area, like column sections. And now we'll go to setting part. And now once you're inside the setting part, you'll find total 5 settings. Number 1 is a general setting, and RTL is from right to left and left to right. You can turn from this area. Like if you are from Dubai, the many people they use from left to right. Okay, once you turn on this one, you need to click on save to see the preview. Okay, once you click save, these things came in from left to right, and you can even have a preview of this one, like left to right, how your billing will be. Next, again go back to setting part, and then container width you can manage. Here the width contain is 480 pixel and 900 pixel maximum. And what are the default one? I believe default one is the best width given by the company, and they do research for these things. And display payment instruction for the customers. Show product image, you can show the images, like what are the product they are buying. On the top, thumbnail, like full image, you can choose from here, and you can manage the height and width of the product. Then show product SKU number, you can turn it off or on, it's all up to. Next option we have is custom CSS. If you want to add a custom CSS for the pages of any of your template, you can control it globally from this option. You can refresh the page to apply the changes, and the page will refresh, and then again go back to the general setting, and inside that custom CSS box will get open. You can make custom CSS change and add your codes here. If you want to change this email subject and the form name, you have to click here and make sure once you add any custom CSS here, you save it. And we'll go to this part, and there if you scroll down, you can see the email sender option. You need to add a website name. Let's say if you're writing any something mistake here, you should write as Go Mahamaya, or whatever the website name you have, you are sending from which address, you should know. And what is the header image? Here you just go to the media file, there you upload the header image of your email and paste the link here. For example, move up, go to media files, library, select the header image or anything which you want to be there, copy the URL and then paste in this section, and is like done, header image. And then you have to write down the footer text, site URL, your website URL will be there, and built with WooCommerce. You can change this, you can change the base color from these areas and these things from here. Once you are done, click on save changes. Next, go back, and we have email setting. You can also change it from email background, change from this section, and then enable disable templates. Whichever the template you have created, you can set it to default and you can enable it, you can turn it off, it's all up to you. And then once you're done with these things, you can reset the templates also, reset all the templates. And then in the final, if you're migrating a website or you want to copy the same template to another website or the domain, you should click on export template, and then all the template will be exported. If you want to import a template, you just click here and the file which is download, then you click on import and your template will be imported to your website. So only this much was there inside WooCommerce email customizer. Do let me know if you have any questions or query related to WooCommerce email customizer in the comment box. I'll surely help you. and do consider subscribing our channel for more further updates. Thank you.